अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कैफ़ा हालुकी अंती ज़ैनब?
बखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। कैफा हालुक या अंती?
बिखैर व आफिया, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। So, have you taken the session of practice with Nida?
Yes, we practiced in the last class. We practiced about the chapter about Tam and Mashru. We revised it basically.
All right. So far, whatever we have done, in our previous class, whatever we have done, uh, would you got the clarity or some confusion you have?
Overall, things are clear, teacher. Overall, things are clear, but every time we practice, we feel like we have to practice more.
Okay. And
So that,
have you practiced this worksheet?
no, not this.
Okay. Because I told you as we have to take the understanding regarding these words. So for that purpose, we need to do a lot of practice. Like for instance, we can say min azabillah. So what do you think that what's the meaning of this? What does the meaning of min?
Means
Min is from, right? So min
from
azabillah,
the wrath of Allah.
perfect. So we should have to know that whatever we have like we are going through regarding Quran content. So we should know if we will do the practice. So automatically we understand how the way we can uh, take out the meaning from these words, right? Min khashiyatillah,
Yes, you are right. From the fear of Allah.
perfect. Min yawmil jumu'ah,
From the Friday, from the day of Friday. Yeah, I think it
yeah,
will be Friday.
from the day of Friday. Wow. Min Ahlil Madina.
From the people of Medina.
Perfect.
और सिटी भी कह सकते हैं मदीना तो सिटी के लिए भी वर्ड यूज होता है
Usually we
अरबिक में
say Medina in Arabic, we say city, but here they are talking about the city Medina, right?
ओके यस
So these kind of things we need to practice. So automatically we understand that min means from. Likewise,
यस
we have earlier we have done the ala ilah ala lisani Daud. So what do you think that what does it mean? Ala lisani Daud.
on on the tongue of Daud
On the tongue of Daud. Perfect. Ala khazain al ard.
uh, Allah Khazain al on the prayers from the prayers on the
Treasure of earth.
earth.
Like you can say that first word.
Yes. On
First word is the possession or like something about we are talking about some possession or some material which relate with the last word. Are you understanding? Are you getting it?
yes
That
yes
Lisani Dawood means tongue of Dawood. Okay?
okay
All right, wait.
it is off
Yes.
not on
Allah means on the tongue of Dawood. Okay? If there would be min here instead of Allah, so how would it be? From the tongue of Dawood.
from yes
Okay, like this. Here we can say Rabbul Ard. the Lord of
जी.
Earth, Rabbul Mashriq, the Lord of
Yes.
Mashriq. So like this, we can translate the things. Okay. I hope everyone is
Yes.
doing practice regarding these things. Right now, I thought to practice about making sentences so far today. And I want you guys to recall the things like you can say the colors names. I have shared the worksheets in the group. I hope you guys try to learn the colors names and also using the time and also the counting. So we should have to try to practice about those things. Right now, who will read it? Yes,
I can read.
Raya or who is here? Zayan or Zainab?
Assalamu alaikum, teacher ji.
Walaikum.
I'm here. Rabia Junaid.
Yeah, you go ahead.
Okay. Bismillah. Mata tazhabu
No, no,
usratu.
you have to read this paragraph.
Okay. This paragraph.
Can you translate
Usratu
here?
tazhabu.
At-tadribur rabi.
Lesson third lesson.
Third exercise.
Where? Third exercise. Okay. Okay. Shall we read?
Iqra. At-tadribur rabi. Fourth exercise, right? Yes.
Ikra. Ikra في فقرة ثم أجب عن الأصل
أسئلة.
أسئلة. Okay.
Iqra, read al-fiqra, read the paragraph. Summa, then ajib, answer to the question. Anil as'ila, to the question. Okay? All right.
عن الأسئلة. Okay. أسرة تذهب إلى السوق يوم الخميس في المساء
للتسوق.
للتسوق. اوكي. للتسوق. أسرة تذهب إلى السوق بالسيارة. الأم الأم
Yes.
الأم تريد سمكا وبيزا وطماطم. اوكي. وال والأب والأب
Yes.
والأب تريد صحيفة وكتابا.
Enough.
وكتاب.
Can you please translate?
Maybe I
I can
will.
translate.
Yes.
I can translate, teacher. Can I translate?
Okay, then Zainab.
Yeah, sure.
Zainab isn't.
Okay, you are not trying, Sadia?
Ma'am, little bit confusion, but
Okay, that's fine. You can do it, Zainab.
The
Just
family is
Sadia, just try
going
to
to
focus
the
and
market.
try to practice at home, okay? Okay, Zainab.
الأسرة تذهب إلى السوق يوم الخميس في المساء للتسوق. The
Let us know.
family is going. Yes, تسوق. Yes, the family is going to the market on Thursday in the evening for shopping.
Perfect.
الأسرة تذهب إلى السوق بالسيارة. The family is going to the market in the car.
By the
الأم
car.
تريد سماك.
By the
Yes.
car.
By the car. Yes. بالسيارة by the car. الأم تريد سماك وبيضا وطماطم. The mother needs. I have confusion in these two words, but tomatum is tomato. Samaka, the I'm not sure about these two words.
The mother wants samakan means fish.
Not here.
Babaidan
Fish,
means
fish.
eggs.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Eggs, okay. And tomatoes. And
Yes.
the father needs, wants newspaper and books.
Perfect.
Ibnu yuridu qalama, and the son wants kalama is kalam pen. कलमन है तो पेन्स होगा.
No, no pen.
Well,
It's pen.
it's only pen. Okay.
Single pen.
Well, ibnatu turidu daftara, and the daughter wants copies, register or copies.
Notebook.
As some notebooks. Okay. Asamaku birbaina riala.
Bi
The fish is
arbaina.
bi arbaina. Okay. Bi arbaina. The fish is real or bi arbaina. 40 B
Fish
40
is,
reals.
yes, fish is
The fish is by 40 reals. B means والبيض بسبعة ريالات, and eggs the eggs are for سبعة 7 real.
no.
سبعة
Sabati,
7.
7 real.
Yes, 7 reals. والطماطم and the tomatoes بخمسة ريالات, 5 reals, for 5 reals. The Sahifatu Biryalin, and the newspaper for
In 2
only
reals.
Realin. 2 reals. Okay, just known. 2 reals. Well, Kitabu bi Shrina Reala, and the books for 20 reals.
Perfect.
Well, Kalamu bi Salasati Realatin, and the pens for 3 reals. But and the register for 4 reals. Al-Matlubu Samanun Reala. Matlub Samanun is um, 80 reals. Total, it
80
means
reals are
the total is
required or needed.
okay. Required. The required are 80 reals.
80 reals are
Okay.
required, or you can say, or needed, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Samat.
that's good. Good job. So this is the way, Sadia, you need to do the translation. As so far, we guys have to know how to connect the sentence and how to make the sentence. For that purpose, try to be connected. Can you please read the question, Sadia? Yes, Sadia?
Yeah. Teacher, I am?
Yes, can you please read the question?
Okay, my name is Rabia.
Sorry, Rabia. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. متى تذهب أسرته إلى السوق؟
All right. What would be the answer?
Okay.
Yes, what would be the answer?
Wait. إلى السوق يوم الخميس. خميس في yes. إلى السوق يوم الخميس في مساء تسوق.
They are just asking when. Means when the
When?
family, yes, when the family goes to the market. So you have to say The family goes to the
Okay,
market.
usratu yawmil wait a minute. Usratu ila sawq yawmil khamis. The
تذهب
am I right?
الأسرة إلى السوق يوم الخميس.
تذهب إلى
تذهب الأسرة إلى السوق.
يوم إلى
Yes, في
السوق
يوم
يوم
الخميس.
الخميس.
Yes, في يوم الخميس.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Let's make it like this. Family went to the market on the Friday. Yes, Rabia. How would we say?
تذهب أسرة
Is it
إلى
fele mudare or fele mazi? Family went to the market on Friday.
on Friday. Okay. Maybe فعل مضارع.
Family Friday को मार्केट गई.
मार्केट गई. पहले माजी. ओके. पहले
Yes.
पहले माजी. ओके.
So how would we say in Arabic?
تذهب إلى السورة. تذهب إلى
تذهب.
السورة.
Okay. Can you please give it a try, Zainab?
Al-usratu went. For went we will use family के लिए हम सिंगल यूज करेंगे तो ज़हाबत होगा फिर.
Exactly. ذهبت الأسرة.
al-usratu ذهبت या ذهبت al-usratu ila التسوق يوم الجمعة.
Perfect. Sadia and Zainab, you guys have to do a lot of practice regarding the understanding of past and present, right? So can you please make the sentence about I wanted to buy notebook and newspaper. You have to use this
Uridu.
Yuridu is fe'l
Uridu.
mudare. So you have to
Uridu.
use this word for fe'l mazi.
Uridu
I
ishtaru.
wanted to buy. Wanted to
Uridu.
buy. It's fe'l mazi.
Wanted is uri. That's not uridu. Oh, sorry. या तुरीद है ना. तो आखिर में ले सकती
Aradtu.
है. रैद अरद तू. यस. ओके अलिफ आ जाएगा. अरद तू. अब
Exactly.
उरीदू कहेंगे दैट इज प्रेजेंट. ओके.
Exactly.
अरद तू इश्तरू दफ्तरुन व सहीफतुन.
Aradtu. I wanted to buy. Anil ashtari. Two.
अरद तू.
For two, TO2, we use I noon. Okay? Like this.
टीचर ये आपने पहले पढ़ाए हुए हैं ये सब्जेक्ट्स ना. ये आपने ये टॉपिक पढ़ाया हुआ है पहले भी.
No. It's a new topic, but a lot of words we already done. I wanted you guys to try to make sentences in Fele Mudari and Fele Mazi, whatever we have done. So far, whatever you don't know, I will guide you, but try to make the sentences in terms of understanding the Fele Mudari and Fele Mazi. All right? I hope you understand, Rabia.
जी टीचर बट मैंने आपको बताई थी अपनी प्रॉब्लम पर मैं इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करूंगी कि दोबारा से कंटिन्यू करूं और दोबारा से अपनी जो है वो अपनी कंसंट्रेशन इस पे दूं, ताकि मेरी जो थोड़ी जो क्लासेस जो रह रही हैं वो
It's a,
मैं कर लूं
I can understand it's a bit difficult paragraph, but I wanted you to give it a try. Like for instance, you can like Zainab, you can make some sentence. Tell to Rabia whatever we have done, like using daraba or using azhabu, using adrusu.
Okay. She she teaches English for Mudare. If she wants to practice Mudare, then we will give her English for I mean present tense sentence. और आपने अभी तक जो है वो पास्ट में करवाए हैं, तो आप पास्ट में दे सकते हैं that she talked English.
एक ही
सिंपल
जुमला
सेंटेंस
हम
है.
पास्ट और प्रेजेंट दोनों में
She
करके
talked.
देखेंगे, so we can have the understanding to for the clarity. Okay,
Yes, yes.
all right.
मैं और निदा ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, मतलब जब हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं मोस्टली हम दोनों ही होते हैं, तो एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ के उसका जो भी उसके अंदर हमारे पास फेल होते हैं उसको हम जो भी उन्होंने दिया होता है, प्रेजेंट हो तो पास्ट करते हैं, पास्ट हो तो प्रेजेंट करते हैं.
Exactly. Wait a minute. Okay, we have this word. What does it mean? Who will tell me?
Eat.
I eat.
How do we read it?
Akalu.
Akulu.
Akal. Okay.
Akulu. Okay, I eat akulu. Okay, so if I would say I have eaten food, I have eaten breakfast in the morning at 7 o'clock. I have eaten breakfast in the morning at 7 o'clock. Or you can say I ate breakfast in the morning at 7 o'clock. मैंने breakfast सुबह 7 बजे किया या खाया.
I have के लिए लदैया होगा if I'm not wrong. और अगर I have यूज कर रहे हैं तो लदैया, उसके बाद आप सेकंड पर्सन में sorry, then
No, I am not saying
अकल तू
I
होगा.
have the breakfast. I am saying I ate the breakfast.
हाँ, लदैया अकल तू.
No, 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 no. Why do we use ladaiya?
I have को आपने रिप्लेस कर दिया I ate से,
No, no,
तो वो
actually,
अकल तू हो जाएगा.
no, Nida. Actually, in English, we use word have for two purposes. Like I have it or I eat it. Are you getting my point?
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
So
okay.
in Arabic, we are not,
Okay, okay.
yes, we are not supposed to follow the English rules. Right? The sentence is, I ate breakfast in the morning. So simply you have to think that how can I tell in Arabic about
अकल तू अत्ताम.
akal?
अकल तू अल फतूर, सॉरी, अकल तू अल फतूर. I
Yes,
ate breakfast in the morning fi as-sabahan.
फिर sabahi, perfect.
फिर सबाही या फिर सबाहन at 7 o'clock आपने कहा ना.
Yes,
at के लिए भी फी यूज करना था हमें.
फिर sabahi as-sa'atal
असातल साबे
साबिया.
साबिया.
Perfect,
साबिया.
perfect, perfect. Can you repeat it again?
अकल तू अल फतूर फी as-sabahi सा असा असाबिया.
Perfect. As-sa'at as-sabi'a. See, Nida,
असात असाबिया.
you were asking sabahan, but we are using fi. I told you earlier that if we are using harfe jar, jar majroor have the like are the prepositions. And when we have the prepositions after the word of preposition, always we use kasra, zir,
सबा, तो फिर सबाहिन होगा.
sabahi. Akulu fi
सबाही.
sabahi as-sa'atan
ओके.
as-sa'at as-sabi'a. Okay? Akulu al-futur. Yes. अकल तू, sorry.
टीचर इंग्लिश में जैसे आपने बताया आई हैव ईटन और आई एट, हमारे लिए डिफरेंट टेंसेस होते हैं फॉर इंग्लिश, तो अरबी के अंदर हम इनको सेम ही तरीके से बनाएंगे, अकल तो ही लिखेंगे।
For both the past, we use अकल तू. जैसे आकुलू है,
हाँ मुझे
आकुलू प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर दोनों के लिए यूज होता है यूजुअली. वो खाना खाएगा, आकुलू, सॉरी, याकुलू अल-फतूर और याकुलू गदन, गदा, sorry, kind of these kind of things. So okay, what else we can do? Rabia, you can make sentence about he ate dinner at night 9 o'clock.
Teacher is too difficult for me.
Okay, he का क्या होगा? Who will tell me?
Who?
8.
आकुलू,
He ate.
he ate, याकुलू,
Daraba, zahaba. We have the pattern for he.
अरे अकला अकला अकला,
Exactly.
Okay.
Akala.
Hmm.
This is the pattern.
अकला अल-इशाई, डिनर इज अल-इशाई. आप दोबारा बोलेंगी, जुमला दोबारा बोलेंगी आप?
He ate dinner at night 9 o'clock.
अकला अल-इशाई
Fil layl.
في الليل الساعة 8. 8.
9 o'clock.
9 is 9 o'clock को 8
As-sa'at
o'clock is
tasiya.
तासिया. 9 हाँ सही है. التاسعة.
Exactly. All right. Okay. He was. It was huwa, for huwa. Right. Huwa akala. Huwa akala. It was past. If I would say in mudare, he
Teacher, can you write full sentence?
sorry.
Can you write full sentence? Like huwa, akala, pisad. Can you write?
Okay. Akala. Yes, Nida. What do we? What we have to write? Akala.
هو أكل العشاء العشاء همزة العشاء في الساعة 9.
नाइट भी बताना है ना, फिर लैल,
हाँ فيها at night.
Fil
हाँ
layli.
في الليل الساعة 9. sorry. في الليل 9.
As-sa'atas.
अच्छा, इसको आप कनेक्ट
अच्छा
कर रही
बेटा,
हैं इसके ता को. इसको अस्सा अत्तासिया भी पढ़ सकते हैं, अस्सा अत्तासिया भी पढ़ सकते हैं, दोनों तरीके से पढ़ सकते
No,
हैं.
no. As-sa'atat tasiya. This is tasiya.
ओके.
Sorry, ये गलत हो गया. एक सेकेंड. Tasiya. Ain. Seen.
Okay.
Ain वगैरह.
Full line.
Okay.
Okay.
Fil layli as-sa'atat tasiya.
हुआ
अच्छा, आप किसी
It is wrong. By the way, it is wrong. It is this Seen, Ain, and Ta marbuta. Because Saata has also Ta marbuta. This is. When we use the time, always we use Ta siya. Like Al-Wahida, Al-Saniya, Al-Salisa, Al-Rabia, Al-Khamisa, Al-Sadisa, Al-Sabia, Al-Samina, Al-Tasiya, Al-Ashira. Al-Hadi Ashara is 11 and Al-Sani Ashara is 12. All right, so we should have to
बाहर नहीं जाओगी, अभी मेरी
know
क्लास
about the time. unless we will do the practice to tell the time, we are not supposed to be like quick. Our time is running out, so after the finishing the session, kindly join the same link again. If it wouldn't work, I would share another link. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I was saying huwa akala al ishai fil ishaa, sorry, ishaa hai ye, शाई नहीं है, इशा फिल लैली as-sa'at at-tasi'a. All right. So now tell me for hiya, what do we say for hiya?
hiya akalat
akalat,
Okay, good job.
al-isha fil layli
There would be same sentence.
as-sa'at
As-sa'at at-tasi'a. Okay.
at-tasi'a.
Akalat, hiya akalat. This is for female, she. Huwa akala, hiya akalat. All right, Rabia, I hope you are getting it. Likewise, if
जी
I
जी
would say huwa for fe'l mudare, so what do we say?
अकलू
For fe'l mudare, this is fe'l mazi. Akulu, yakulu, takulu. So
ओके
for
ओके ओके
huwa, what do we use? Who will tell?
Again, can you please repeat it? Repeat the
yakulu,
question.
If I
huwa
would,
yakulu,
akala means he ate. I am saying if
Hmm.
it would be in fe'l mudare, so how would we say for huwa?
Yakalu.
huwa yakulu,
Exactly.
याकुलू ताकुलू ताकुलू फॉर फीमेल
Yes, perfect. Good job.
हाँ
Huwa yakulu and hiya takulu. So fe'l mudare is clear of your in your head, guys, but fe'l mazi have the confusion. So okay.
टीचर कैन यू कंटिन्यू फॉर फेले में दारे
Yes. Can you please give it a try? Tell me. For I eat. Fe'l mudare. How would I say? Fe'l mudare.
आई ईट
I eat. Akulu. For you. Fe'l mudare. You eat. Takulu. And by the way, we use takulu for 2 times. For you male and for she female. Okay. And yakulu is for huwa, he. And for female, anti. What do we use? Who will tell me?
for you or for her,
Single
she,
anti.
You eat. Girl.
takulina,
Tadribin. नहीं अकुलीन. नहीं
Takulina.
sorry. Takulin.
takulina,
हाँ.
Yeah.
Takulina.
Takulina. Okay, so
Hmm.
this way we need to know about the fe'l mudare. Likewise, we need to see 3 words for the fe'l mazi, like akala, he ate, akalat, sorry. Can you please mute yourself? Akalat for female. Here we need to see the fe'l mudare. Akalat. Akalat. It's for male. It's for female, he or she. Third one would be akal.
yeah.
All the part is all about the Arab. Here and here, both are same in written. but Arab are different. Akalat is she ate. Akaltu, I ate. These three words we need to remember for Fele Mazi because this same word will come for you, male and female. Only this Arab will different. Akaltu is I ate. Akalta is you ate for male. Akalti is you ate for female. Are you getting, guys, what I'm trying to say? Yes, Rabia? I hope you got the clarity.
अकलता you male,
Yes, you ate. तुमने
you
खाना
ate.
खाया for male.
Yes.
अकलती तुमने खाना खाया for female, right? अकलतू मैंने खाना खाया, I ate. Only
ate,
Arab
okay.
would be different. This Arab you need to think about it. In past, akala is for he, akalat is for she, akaltu, akalta, akalti in same in written form. Just last Arab would be different. U, a, and e. That's it. Okay. After
Okay.
finishing the session, in next session we will do different words in the same pattern like akala, daraba, fa'ala, darasa. These kind of words, unless we will do the repetition again and again, we will not get the clarity to understand about the Filimazi. Okay.
Okay, repeat again, teacher. Akalat.
Akala is for he ate. Akalat is for
Akalat.
she ate. You didn't check the posters which I have shared in the group earlier.
Uh, teacher, no.
Okay, all right. Let me check and I will share it again. Or Nida, can you do me a favor? You can share the charts